Acura would have been obnoxious.
Are we going to do this again?
Yes.
It's not like they created a left turn lane for that either.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, there's an Audi trying to parallel park.
parallel park? Because they've been... Oh my god, they are so fucking
It's
slow
the big
at
ass
it.
SUV. That's
They
why.
are so slow at it.
It's a
Jesus.
Q7.
Oh my god, they're so... Oh my
Bad at this, yeah.
She is atrocious at it.
She looked
Holy
like
shit.
she just got her license.
Unfortunately, our cars have canceled most shows this year. So Mega Cruise will happen, the band will be started in the Meanwhile,
Jesus, dude.
he went to college. But he shared, I graduated undergrad with 38,301.
And if I end up needing any help with the dresser, it'll literally just be getting it from my car in the house.
Yep.
But I don't think I'll need it.
Okay. All I know is I just can't help you. Because no one thinks about it. They're front drive No, they are rear drive V8. They're actually fucking nice too.
Oh yeah.
Oh god, Tag's on a beat up.
There's the I-8 Roadster again.
Oh nice.
He owns Head of Glass.
Oh, okay.
He lives in Southside. He's maybe 30 something.
Oh no, fuck you.
Yep, I saw
You deserve to wreck.
I saw it. Well, if they wreck, at least their bumper guards will keep the bumper safe.
He's also going straight up the fucking sidewalk. Well, that's because he slammed his trunk so hard so many times.
Right.
Even though I probably could do it on my own. I would not make it up the driveway because it rides lower than that Civic.
Yeah, right. Rockasega!
I was thinking that. That's why I was waiting for you to come up with something. Because I said, just fucking park in the driveway. I'm leaving after you, probably.
I'll stay, real spot.
Oh, should I go?
With me, come find me. What are you doing? This is a one-way, pal. What in the fuck is happening? Oh no, don't do that. Oh please, oh thank God. Oh, they're from Tennessee. Okay, I kind of feel bad. But the same. Oh, they're from Oklahoma.
So you know what? I'll be a capitalist pig and afford to pay off my dad's loans. Boo. That's flooring it. It's like Chevy Trax.
Taking your sweet ass time, Chevy.
I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. Oh crap!
Hey,
Now I sound like.
And I am triggered that other is not an option in this non-Christian household.
You know what the other is? Fucking ditto. Man, woman.
Got hit.
Okay.
I was literally in that spot.
You see any fireworks going off?
No.
Me and my little brother were lighting off fireworks.
When was this?
Yard.
It was Monday, I think. Actually, yeah. All right.
All right, you're in at 3:15 tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Maybe.
No, just the idiot that goes on racetracks in a Wrangler 4-door.
It's an NC, right?
Yeah, that's an NB.
NB.
NC was the 05 body style that no one liked,
Oh.
even though I fucking loved it.
That's surprising.
Yeah, right. Oof. That Wrangler almost got T-boned. Okay, no, that makes sense. Yeah. No,
No, I never even found JP.
he's a good kid.
I don't actually know what his name is.
Look at that old fire truck.
Yeah. Ooh. Look at that.
On letters on that Golf.
Yeah.
He's gonna get cut off. Yep.
Love purple because it is the royal color brown.
Because it's royal. Because I have my futon that he'll sleep on.
Oh, okay.
Whether it's in my room or whether it's in the
Well, I was
living
implying
room.
that could you help me there?
Oh yes. If I'm not
So he literally called me. Just, hey, you guys home? Yeah. Okay, I'll be there in a few minutes. Why? Is everything okay? I'm fine. I'll be there in a few minutes.
Did he tint it?
He was tinted already. Factory tint.
And there were very few customers, so I didn't have to like try to force my kindness that I don't normally have as much of.
So, I mean, she lives on Mount Washington.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Younger, older person.
No idea.
I'm gonna have to agree with you on that one, Chief. I love the dresses. Mercedes. Those are interesting looking wheels. I don't know if it was fitment or what. This light's gonna turn green and it's still gonna be fidgeting around.
Yep. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. No, I always wish they'd done an AMG version of the.
Jokes in all of human
history. They really do. Ooh, K900. Our body kit.
So it's essentially the whole bottom of the car.
Yeah.
That's okay. Don't hit speed until you've
They
already...
can't. It's a road sport. It's a Qashqai.
They're also much easier to come on, and I'm speaking from experience.
Oh, yeah.
Much larger.
Run, Forrest, run.
Hit them all. You have a dash.
They're kids. They're double.
Very weird.
Didn't he graduate? Yeah. Why he? What
He's got his apartment the same amount of time we do.
What does he do with his life though? Like, is he gonna be around here? I don't know. Because I had one of them. We had one on our 04 View.
I believe
we had the Gefilta. You're gonna annihilate the red light too. I want to find another Gefilta. That's not bad.
You gotta think, it's pretty much a Civic Si.
Right.
It's a Civic Si with a better body on it.
But you want to actually be able to store your... Is this guy... This is one lane.
Yep.
Jag off.
He's gonna hit the parked car, I'm guessing it. Either that or he's actually parking.
If you prefer fast food, you just go get Domino's?
Yes. That was a good one. That was actually a damn good one.
Helicopter taking off.